Top Rapid Prototype Technology Company Limited, founded in 2013, located in Dalingshan Science and Technology Park, Dalingshan Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. We are manufacturers specialized in mock-up starting from CNC milling, CNC lather turning, rapid prototyping, small volume production, surface finishing treatment, concept design, and tooling. We have enough experience in all aspects fabrication in the full range of plastic and metals. We have advanced automation machines and a strong team here to support your requirements. We can shape imagination to a real product in minimum time and lowest cost, combined with quality assurance and excellent customer service. In 2016, company created more than 2,400 square meters space for a modern factory aimed at working hard in order to shorten the trial cycle and save the cost of development for customers. Our team is made up of high-leveled skilled workforce, which is more than 50 staffs. At the same time, we have built together close ties with domestic and overseas well-known rapid prototype industrial domain for exchange of skills and explore technological achievements, creating continued state-of-the-art advantage. We have always taken our responsibility very seriously by offering any projects that deserve this trust and standing behind the value of our products.